Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things health and fitness. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: the amazing transformations that occur in your body when you commit to doing a 5-minute plank every day. So, let's get started. Planking is a simple yet powerful exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By holding a plank position for just 5 minutes each day, you'll be amazed at the incredible changes that can happen to your body. What are the benefits of planking? First off, let's talk about the benefits. Planking is fantastic for strengthening your core muscles, including your abs, back, and glutes. As you hold the plank position, these muscles are engaged, leading to improved stability and posture. Additionally, planking helps to enhance your overall body strength. It targets your arms, shoulders, and chest, making it a full-body workout. By consistently challenging yourself with a 5-minute plank, you'll notice increased strength and endurance over time. One of the most noticeable effects of regular planking is improved posture. As your core muscles strengthen, they provide better support for your spine, reducing the risk of slouching or developing poor posture habits. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a confident, upright posture. Planking not only strengthens your muscles, but also improves flexibility. As you hold the plank position, you stretch and expand your shoulder, collarbone, and shoulder blade muscles. This increased flexibility can lead to an improved range of motion and reduced muscle stiffness. Did you know that planking can also boost your metabolism? When you engage multiple muscle groups during a plank, your body burns more calories compared to isolated exercises. This means that even after your workout, your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate, helping you maintain a healthy weight. Planking isn't just about physical benefits. It also has a positive impact on your mental well-being. Holding a plank requires concentration and mental focus. By practicing this exercise daily, you'll develop mental resilience and discipline, which can carry over into other aspects of your life. So there you have it, folks, the incredible effects of doing a 5-minute plank every day. From improved core strength and posture to increased flexibility and a boosted metabolism, planking offers a wide range of benefits for your body and mind. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Start with shorter durations and gradually work your way up to a 5-minute plank. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed, but always challenge yourself to push a little further each time. If you're ready to take your planking game to the next level, consider adding variations to your routine. Side planks, forearm planks, and plank jacks are just a few examples of how you can mix things up and target different muscle groups. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that while planking can be beneficial, it's essential to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Have you tried incorporating a daily 5-minute plank into your fitness routine? If so, what changes have you noticed in your body and overall well-being? Share your experiences in the comments below. Well, that's all for today's video on the incredible effects of doing a 5-minute plank every day. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. As always, stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep challenging yourself on your fitness journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.